Russian war blogger Rogozin posts this chart from Russian soldiers in the Robotyne area, showing Ukrainian drone strikes, primarily munition drops and FPV in one day. Munitions drops drones, 290. FPV, 15. Robotyne is a hell for occupiers. And another Russian assault ends up in failure. 1 MTLB, 2 BMPs, a lot of cannon fodder, only the tank escaped. They're burning us. No EW, there's fucking nothing. A fellow is lying, we came for him. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. Help in any way you can. A Russian soldier films the result of Ukrainian FPV drone attacks on Russian equipment in the Kupiansk direction. A Kamaz and a Tiger M armored vehicle with a brazier were destroyed. The charred corpse of an occupier lies nearby. That doesn't give them any idea that they're clearly in the wrong place doing wrong things.
Вот, братцы, жгут нас. Жгут, блядь, ни рэба, нихуя ничего нету, блядь. Вот братец лежит. Приехали за ним. Ебай, братан, пиздец. Выжгли нахуй, в морду уебал, сука. Ни рэба, нихуя. Ебать. Тоже хотя бы птички нахуй. Птичек надо, пиздец жгут, суки. Сегодня ночью сожгли, бля, бронированный КамАЗ, ебать. Просто пиздец. Вот он, братец, лежит. Ебать. Пиздец, нахуй. Охуеть. Помогите, чем можете. Рэп. Либо птички, фипивишки, мавики. Конечно, реклама плохая, но это пипец. Вот они результаты. Ваше время. Вы там отдыхаете. Мы здесь погибаем, блядь.
КамАЗ бронированный, блядь. Тоже сегодня сгорел. К сожалению, не успел. Вылезти не успел. Короче, все. Одни. Вот такие вот дела. Это сегодня ночью. КамАЗ и там Тигр. Все дошло до дома. И погибли люди. Вот. Жгут нас, блядь, единичка проклятая. Сегодня ночью. Тигра ебали. Так что нужна помощь. Нужна помощь. Рэпом, птички. Чем можете, короче. Такие вот дела.
Security Service of Ukraine has destroyed 1,006 Russian tanks since the start of Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Using heavy armored vehicles, Russians often tried to break through the positions of Ukrainian defenders and provide cover for the occupiers' assault groups. A large number of Russian armored vehicles were destroyed at the initial stages of the offensive, before they launched an assault on Ukrainian positions. Some tanks were destroyed along with their crews. Together with other units of the Ukrainian Defense Forces, the SSU continues to destroy Russian occupation groups to bring Ukrainian victory closer. a Moscow court indicted in absentia the commander of the 138th Anti-Aircraft Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Colonel Zyumin, for shooting down the Russian AEW&C A-50 aircraft. On February 23rd, it was shot down near Taganrog by Ukrainian weapons. At that time, 10 crew members died, and the Russians falsely claimed it was a friendly fire accident, a falsehood largely repeated by Twitter experts, some even questioning the plane destruction despite overwhelming evidence. Clowns. Ukrainian drones equipped with thermal vision destroy a Russian unit moving at night on top of a BRDM-2 scout car from the 1960s in occupied Donetsk region. Fully loaded Russia BM-21 Grad was destroyed with FPV drone. We don't know what happened here.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.